Hello everyone, today we will talk about wavy hair care routine. We're going to spill the beans on the perfect hair care routine that'll make your waves sing with joy. Now, let's dive into the do's of wavy hair care. These are the golden rules that'll keep your waves fresh and healthy. Rule number 1, choose a gentle product that doesn't strip away your hair's natural oils like Family Hair Care. Its gentle formula respects your waves, leaving them clean and fresh. Rule number 2, moisturize. Wavy hair tends to be on the drier side, so make conditioner your best friend. Family Hair Care's nourishing ingredients are your ticket to soft, hydrated waves. Rule number 3, after washing, never rub your hair with a towel. Instead, scrunch gently with a microfiber towel or an old t-shirt. It's all about preserving those gorgeous waves. Detangling can be a breeze if you do it right. Use a wide-toothed comb or your fingers, starting from the tips and working your way up. Styling is your secret weapon. Opt for a lightweight product like Family Hair Care to define your waves without weighing them down. Now, let's talk about the don'ts, things that could dim your waves' sparkle if you're not careful. First off, avoid sulfates. They can strip away your waves' natural oils, leaving them dry and sad. Use Family Hair Care, which is 100% natural. Second, don't go overboard with heat styling. Your waves need a break from high temperatures. And if you do use heat, remember to use Family Hair Care as a heat protectant. Third, don't wash your hair daily. Overwashing can sap your waves' natural moisture and lead to frizz. Also, say no to tight hair ties. They can cause breakage and disrupt your waves pattern. Opt for gentle scrunchies or silk bands. Finally, don't forget your waves while you sleep. Wrap your hair in a silk or satin scarf or switch to silk pillowcases. Now, let's sprinkle in some unique tips for those vibrant waves that turn heads everywhere you go. On non-wash days, refresh your waves with a water spray. And use Family Hair Care for an instant revival. Family Hair Care is your go-to solution for all your wavy hair problems and needs. It will help you to keep your wavy hair fresh, repair damaged hair, improve scalp health too. Your wavy hair is a canvas for creativity. Embrace its uniqueness, follow these do's and don'ts, and your waves will thank you with their radiance.